Recently, I was contacted by someone who was injured in a motorcycle accident in Texas. And one of the questions they asked me is, what are some of the common mistakes that people make? The first mistake that people make is they don't seek medical treatment right away. And related to that mistake is they don't follow the doctor's orders. When you don't seek medical treatment right away and you don't follow the doctor's orders, the worst part of it is you're hurting yourself because you're hurting your chances at recovery. Second to that, the insurance company is going to treat you differently because they're going to say if this person was really hurt, they would have gone to the doctor right away or they would have followed the doctor's orders. But this is something they can put up with. The next mistake that people make is they give a recorded statement. Don't give a recorded statement to the insurance adjusters. Insurance companies and insurance adjusters are not in the business of providing people with fair and just compensation for their claims. They're in the business of limiting their exposure and paying as little as possible. If they paid fair and just compensation, I would be out of business. The next mistake people make is they delay in hiring legal representation. When you delay in hiring legal representation, that means that your attorney has a harder time investigating what actually occurred. Witnesses will forget things or they'll go missing. We need to make those phone calls and investigate as close to the accident as possible. The last mistake people make is they hire the wrong attorney. People need to hire personal injury attorneys that have experience in motorcycle accidents. And beyond that, they need to hire trial attorneys, attorneys that have experience going to trial. And if they don't, that's generally what costs them the most. Insurance companies know what attorneys go to trial, and they compensate people accordingly. And in the worst case scenario, that the insurance company never comes to the table with a fair offer before trial, you have an attorney that's ready to go to trial and represent you and get the best possible outcome. If you've been injured in a motorcycle accident in Texas, please don't hesitate to give my office a call and we'll be happy to answer any questions.